Hey everybody, Dave here, and I want to send you this quick 2-minute message and let you know that everything has been graded from the previous weeks up to this point. So if you have any questions about your grades or any comments I may have made, just shoot me a message. I did just ask a couple of questions in the grading from the SMART Goal Check-in #1. And if you guys want to correspond at all, feel free to reply to that or just shoot me a message in the email that I sent a little bit ago. I provided my phone number, and you guys can feel free to shoot me a text if you want to correspond that way. If that's just easier, it is for me. You're not going to get any more points or any fewer points if you don't respond. So if you don't want to respond, that's fine. But I at least wanted to address that. Also, last week's discussion, the mistake was when I worked with another gentleman in my department, and I was using when we transferred over the information from the shell, the course shell, the Canvas course shell that we used to kind of work on our coursework. When I transferred it over to our course that I have with you, I forgot to turn that paper assignment into a discussion, so that was kind of that was sloppy. In any case, my apologies for that. And moving forward, this week you have a SMART Goal Check-in #2. I'm excited to read that. Your SMART Goal #1s were awesome. I was blown away with how transparent you all are and forthcoming. And when I say that, because many of you just admitted that you'd forgotten you set goals. And I just got a chuckle because I have many goals that I set that I completely forget about, like sleep or eating better or not drinking soda or just a lot of other stuff. And I think when we prioritize our goals, when they really are meaningful to us, that's when we take them a little more serious. So I'm hoping that the next assignment, the lifestyle experiment, can be one where we kind of look a little bit deeper within ourselves and we start to really dial in on some behaviors that we really want to target, or at least just one behavior. Can you give me one that you want to change that will modify health and or wellness in a positive direction? If nothing else, begin strategizing ways to make those self-improvements. That goal assignment, which is 4.7, is a 3-week experiment, and it should be one that is a lot of fun. Whether or not you fail or succeed with that, the idea is to at least make an attempt, make an effort. And then there's an actual discussion. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I got to be honest with the train wreck that was last week. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the discussion this week, it's 4.8. What is your movement practice? I'm kind of keeping my fingers crossed that it works. Also, we have a lab this week, the natural movement lab. It's the on your own lab, and so we are not meeting this week. In fact, we're not meeting next week either. I believe the next time we're meeting is May 19th, which is a few weeks away from now. And if you guys have any questions between then and now, feel free to shoot me a message through Canvas. I'm always excited to hear from students in my hybrid classes, because it can seem like we're on islands and we don't really see each other all that much. But I want to make sure that if you guys do have questions, I'm here to answer them. So feel free to shoot me a message. Be sure to review your grades and look at the content that's due this week a little bit early, just to make sure that you're set and you're ready to go. If you guys need anything, shoot me a message. Later.